Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I don't even know what to do right now. I don't even know what to do. I want you guys to advise me on the comment section. I don't even know what to do now. Um earlier this month, earlier November, that was in November, yeah. An investor, because I was desperate, sha. I will say that it's desperacy that caused the whole stuff. I was desperate to fund my accounts since we weren't going well with me, so I had to chat my guy that he should invest with me. That I'm going to be giving him, that he should invest. I should invest with me. That I'm going to be giving him return every week. So my guy invested $30 with me, and due to desperation and I needed the money to fund my account, I promised I'm going to be giving him $10 every week. That's crazy. So even before I told him that, I made my research. I went to ChatGPT and was like, ChatGPT, I have a friend that wants to invest with me. That he wants to invest $40. How do you how do you suggest we should do the profits? How much do you suggest I should be giving him every week so that it will be balanced? And ChatGPT said that it should be 60-40, that should give me $6 and we're taking $40. But already after the guy, I'm going to give him $10. And this is the funniest part of the story. The funniest part of the story now is that the money is gone. That's the funniest part of the story. So I'm in debt of $30 like this. As I'm talking to you now, I'm in debt of $40. So I don't know. Maybe most of you that are watching me are more experienced than me. Please, what should I tell my guy? Because I told him that he should give me 2 weeks, that I will meet up and then pay him back his money. It is 3 weeks already, and my guy been disturbing me. I don't even know what to tell him. I don't have the money because this side in Nigeria, things are very tough these days, and I haven't been. That was my personal stuff, because things are really hard here. So I don't even know what to tell him. So it was desperation that made me, like, it was this. I wanted to fund my account, bro. Like, what I'm going to tell this guy? And in Nigeria, for $30 is 44,000 naira. But what am I going to tell this guy? What am I going to tell him? He's my guy, but the guy had trust in me. The guy is not even living close to me. We're not even in the same. It is my guy in secondary school. We're not even living in the same area. I don't even know what I'm going to tell him. The guy trusted me because we schooled together. We grew up together, so we know how I do my things. That I'm not that kind of person. Will he be suspecting that maybe I've changed or stuff like that? What am I going to do? I don't even know what I'm going to do. Seriously, I don't even know what to do. So guys, if you have any solution, any suggestion, please drop it in the comment, because I don't even know what I'm going to tell my investor because he's my investor and I don't want to disappoint him. But the fact is now is that I don't have any, and the $10 that I funded recent, I've been on losing streak, and I've lost more than $4, and it's $6 remaining there because what was my plan was that I will trade I will trade his money out from the $10 and give it to him, but nothing. And the funniest part of this whole stuff is that I haven't even given him any return since he invested with me. Man, I don't even know what I'm going to do. So guys, if you have any suggestion of what I should tell him or what I should do, please help me. Drop it in the comments, because if it is me, I'm going to feel bad, because the country now is very tough. So for someone to just bring out $30 and give you with the whole trust and all of that, and at the end of the day you disappoint him, it's not sharp. But it's not even my intention to disappoint him. But the truth of the matter is that I was even the cause of the whole thing, because that is $30. I actually traded it to $90, and I was aiming $200, so that would give him a very good amount, and I lost everything. Like, that's crazy. Now I don't even have any. How will I even go about it? How will I even go about it? I don't even how I will do. I go about it. So please, guys, if you have any solution of what I'm going to do, please drop it in the comments, because for him now, he's going to be feeling like I ate his money and I don't want to give it back to him. Actually, the fault was from me, because I made his money times 2. That's $30 to $90. That's a very huge amount of money, and I lost everything. Like, I don't even know what happened. All this old stuff is just part of the journey, but at this point, you don't hook me for neck. I don't even know what I go do. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I promise that God will make a way, and you know that I'm not that kind of person that eats person money and run away. So money that the nigga carry. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment in the comment section, and like, and also comment what I should tell him. Understand? Because if it is me, say I will not even be happy. Say, oh boy, Forex not be small children or something. They tell you. Bye. See you guys in the next video. I love you all. 2026 is our year. Prepare. 2026 is our year. 2026 is our year. All my guys go guide. All my subscribers go guide. All the struggling forex traders. All of us we made. Believe and chase your dream. Bye.